Have you ever wondered why some men effortlessly attract women while others struggle to even get a second glance? What if I told you that the key to unlocking a woman's desire lies not in being the nice guy, but in mastering the dark psychology of attraction? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand the psychological triggers that make women weak at the knees and how to use them to your advantage. Let's start with the one thing that repels all women. It's not your looks, your job, or your bank account. It's neediness. That's right. Neediness is the ultimate attraction killer. Women are biologically hardwired to be repelled by men who are overly invested in them. The more you chase, the more she pulls away. But here's the twist. The less you care, the more she'll chase you. This is the first rule of dark psychology and attraction. The less fucks you give, the more fucks you get. Let me break it down for you. The more time, energy, and emotion you pour into a woman without getting anything in return, the less attractive you become. It's a simple equation. Your investment equals her disinterest. But when you pull back, when you show her that you have options and that you're not desperate for her attention, something magical happens. She starts to wonder, why isn't he chasing me? And that's when the tables turn. She starts investing in you, and that's when her attraction skyrockets. Now let's talk about preselection. This is one of the most powerful psychological triggers in attraction. Women are instinctively drawn to men who other women want. It's called social proof. When a woman sees that other attractive women are interested in you, her brain screams, he must be valuable, and suddenly you become irresistible. The trick? Don't reveal your hand too soon. Let her see that you're in demand, but don't make it obvious. Subtlety is key. Next, we have physical escalation. This is where most men fail. They're too afraid to make a move, and as a result, they end up in the friend zone. But here's the truth. Women want you to take charge. They want you to lead. From the moment you meet her, you should be escalating physically, starting with small touches, like a hand on her shoulder or a playful shove, and gradually working your way up to more intimate contact. Pay attention to her body language. If she's receptive, keep going. If she pulls away, dial it back, but never stop escalating. Remember, always be escalating. Now let's talk about sexual tension. This is the secret sauce that turns a casual interaction into a passionate encounter. The key to creating sexual tension is flirting, but not just any flirting. Teasing, playful, push-pull flirting. You want to keep her guessing. One moment, you're pulling her in, making her feel desired. The next, you're pushing her away, showing her that you're not easily won. This emotional roller coaster triggers her primal instincts, and before she knows it, she's hooked. Finally, we have the final escalation, the moment when you take her to bed. But here's the thing. Women don't want to feel like they're being seduced. They want to believe that sex just happened. That's where plausible deniability comes in. You need to frame the interaction in a way that allows her to rationalize her actions. Maybe you invite her over to see your awesome pool table or to try your homemade martini. It doesn't matter what the excuse is, as long as it gives her the illusion of control. Because at the end of the day, women want to feel like they're making the choice, even if you're the one leading the way. So, there you have it, the dark psychology of attraction. It's not about being the nicest guy in the room. It's about being the most confident, the most mysterious, and the most in control. Remember, women are biologically hardwired to respond to these triggers. Use them wisely, and you'll unlock her legs and her desire. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think about these psychological tactics. Until next time, stay sharp, stay confident, and always be escalating.